So, we've seen what AI and smart homes are, but how do they impact our daily lives? Let's think about it. These technologies are essentially altering the way we live, work, and play. They are automating routine tasks, making our lives that much more convenient. Imagine waking up to a home that's already adjusted the temperature to your liking, made your morning coffee, and even read out your daily schedule. That's the power of AI and smart homes. But it's not just about comfort and convenience. These technologies are also enhancing security. They can detect unusual activities, alerting homeowners and authorities in real time. They can even recognize faces, distinguishing between family members and potential intruders. Moreover, they're helping us save energy, learning our habits, and adjusting systems accordingly. They can switch off lights when we're not in the room, regulate heating and cooling, and even suggest the most energy-efficient settings. And then there's health monitoring. Smart homes can keep track of our vital signs, alerting us or our healthcare providers if there's a cause for concern. But as we embrace these technologies, we must also grapple with potential concerns. There are questions about privacy with so much data being collected. And then there's the issue of dependency. Are we becoming too reliant on these technologies? Indeed, AI and smart homes are not just about convenience. They are about creating a sustainable, secure, and efficient living environment. But like any technology, they come with their own set of challenges. With all the advancements we've discussed, what does the future hold for AI and smart homes? Picture a world where your home is not just a building, but a thinking partner. Advanced AI and Internet of Things technology could empower homes to learn, adapt, even predict our needs. Imagine your home optimizing energy efficiency or preparing a warm bath just as you're about to get home. The fusion of AI and smart homes is a fascinating journey. A journey where your house doesn't just shelter you, it thinks for you. Welcome to